Hey, what's up guys? Here I am today, and today I am going to be opening these Farmers, my second ever pack of them, and I'm going to be opening this Countdown Brick pack. So yeah, I will get started with opening these, because I'm going to do it with you, because last time I did it off camera, but this time I'm going to do it on camera, so I'll just move this out of the way a little bit, so you can see it a bit better. Okay, so here we have it. I was convinced, well, my mum bought these, but we didn't really need them, but she just thought she liked them, so we bought another one. Today I'm not going to be using the instructions, because we've already made ones like that, and they're, like, I don't want them to be the same, so I'm going to make them different. Okay, it's going to go in the bin. Okay, so first I'm going to make this guy. He's going to be blue. Okay. Oh, the arms are tricky to put in. Oh. There we go. Oh, kind of worked. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now the second arm. There we go. Who can be this person? Wait, where are the people that do have this? So that's, and then the other guy must be driving that. No? Oh, yes, it is. Okay. Oh no, it isn't. Okay. Oh, it's that guy. Okay. Wait, no, it isn't. Oh my gosh, my brain's just confused right now. Right, is it behind here? There we go, there we go. So, that's what it's meant to look like, so we're going to take that off, because that's exactly the same head. So this is going to be a man. He's going to wear his hat. And I'm going to put on the stickers. Okay. And I just want to point out, guys, this morning I did an opening, and that was part 2. This is part 3. As you can see, there's more, because I have been to Countdown today, and we bought heaps of bonus items. So we got heaps of brick packets. So we got 9 of them. Yesterday I got 15, which is a lot. And yeah, I hope you can see them all. And I've also made, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little doghouse here. Sorry if you can't see it. So yeah, it's a little doghouse. So there we go. There's person number 1. And I'll do number 2. Are they gonna be black? Oh, that sounded racist. Okay. Yeah, they are. They're gonna look very weird, but anyway. I'm not trying to be racist, okay, guys? Don't go being silly in the comments. Might not be any comments. I'll turn them off. Ha ha ha. Okay. There's the stickers on. Oh, it's so wonky. Oh, it triggers my OCD, guys. That is not good. Nothing I want to be seeing at the moment. There we go. And there we go. Looks like they're going to, like, a wedding or something. Maybe a funeral or something, I don't know. Okay. So there we have that person. Now we're going to put these two together. Yeah. Yeah. It's not going together. Oh, okay, there we go. Now the second one. I've got to put on all the arms. Oh, these are hard to put on. Oh, I really wish they just came on by themselves. Like, well, no, they came in the packs, like attached to the body, I guess. Like Lego ones. Oh, okay. There we go. I'm going to do the other two. Okay. There we go. Okay. Let's take it that person, that person. It's going to have a hat, and that one's going to on that. Okay. Now I've got to do the stickers. This one's going to have like an apron thing on. Okay. Oops. Yeah. Oh, it's slipping all the way through my hands, guys. So at the moment, I think in our whole collection, we have about, let's just count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, because I didn't cross that one off yet. So we've got 27 of them. That means there's only 13 more. Actually, I need to cross that off. Okay, I'll do it now while I'm here. Okay, so we have 27 out of 40, so we only need 13 more. That's pretty good. It's only the second week of the bricks, so I mean, that's really good, so yeah. And I'm also supposed to be getting some new ones as well, so I think there's about 2 new ones that someone's giving me. So that'll be about 29? Yeah, 29, so we'll only need 11 more, which I'm sure we can get, because that'll be easy. There we have the minifigures that I have constructed. Maybe not as good as what they're supposed to look like. Right, let's have a look at what they're supposed to look like. They look okay. They look okay. I wouldn't say they look good. They look okay. So now I'm going to open up this brick packet. Shove these people out of the way. Okay. Should I use scissors? I'll go get some scissors. I don't want to rip the packet. Okay, where is this? Oh, I forgot. I've already got scissors in here. I planned for this video. I came prepared. And I forgot I was prepared. Okay. What have we got? Oh, it's going everywhere. Oh, flowers! Yes! Yes, it's a new one! Yes, I'm so happy. Oh, okay. Oh, and it's got no stickers! Hooray! Best day of my life. And stickers are okay, but no. I don't like putting on stickers. I mean, admit it. Who likes putting on those stickers that are like next to impossible to put on? Exactly, no one. Okay. Let's just have a look on here. How they're meant to look. Oh, I'm sorry guys. I like having them meant to look like what they're meant to look like, so that's me, I guess. Okay. Now there we have it. That is everything I wanted to do today. And remember, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. And I hope you like my new intro that I have. It's been ages creating it. And yeah, actually, while you're here, I might as well just not give you a tour, I'll just show you it for a little bit while I put in this. So, where does it go? It's gonna go, oh, I'll cross it off while I'm here as well. So it looks like it goes just here. Oh, it's not gonna go in. Okay, I'm gonna have to do that. And there we go. That looks good. Yeah. That's all I wanted to do in this video. I think it is anyway. So yeah, if you haven't already, remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.